Welcome back to Explore Error. Is your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop running slow or lagging a lot? Then apply this one solution, and it will surely improve the performance and speed of your Windows PC or laptop. This is part one, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to get more related tips in the future. Now, click on the search box and type sysdm.cpl, then press Enter. The System Properties window will open. From the top menu, click on Advanced. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. A new window will open. Here, select the option Adjust for Best Performance. After that, click on Apply, and then click on OK. I'm sure that after doing this, the lagging issue and slow performance on your PC will be fixed. If you found this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.